been doing something different with my skincare. I've been using this, and then I use it, and then sometimes I put the serum underneath it that I use for hyperpigmentation. So we're gonna do something different with it today too. I'm gonna use this, and then I'm gonna go in with the Dr. Jart Brightening, because I saw a video of another creator on here that I follow, and they were talking about how when they go do needling, that the doctor that they go to, they put a brightening serum underneath, and then like that helps like fade their hyperpigmentation. I've tried it with my, here it is, with my Skin 1004 this line. I put the serum. Did I put the serum? No, I did this first and then the serum, and then I put it on, but I think that might have been too thick, and then I like topped it with my moisturizer. But we're gonna try it with this. I'm doing it. I'm not saying you should do it, but we'll see how it works out. I'm gonna go in first and clean my face with some alcohol, just to make sure there's nothing on there that will penetrate my skin when I put this on. But to be fair, I just washed my face. Not me checking my face to make sure. It'd be so embarrassing. I'm just using this. This is 70%. Just to make sure. Ooh. Okay. Make sure the hands are clean. And then I'm gonna go in. Actually, let me take this out first. I also put this like in the fridge. I don't know if that's gonna, just put it in there. So it comes with the brightening ampoule, which I'm gonna put that on after I do this. Cause yeah, that'll be the serum. Cause again, I feel like it absorbs better from when I was trying it. I don't know. This might be a little too thick to put under. And then like for this to penetrate. Yeah. So I'm gonna start with this. Pump. Yeah, I'm gonna need another pump. Okay, that's pretty much all over my face. And then we're gonna go with the ampoule, the brightening one. Okay, I'm gonna, I feel like, is this gonna be enough for my face? We'll see. I mean, there's still some in here. Okay, that part got like half of my face. Again, I feel comfortable doing this because I've done it like once or twice already with this, like I said, the other product that I showed. So not really too worried about it, and my skin's not too sensitive when it comes to this. I'm trying to get all of it out. Okay. Do I want to do the top or the bottom first? Let's do the top first. Oh, it feels so nice. It's cold. It feels like I'm out of spa, but at home. Oh yeah, the rubber. I don't know if I've used a rubber one from Dr. Char. I've used the pore one. Is this gonna fit over my lips?
Save us the time and tell us what you put in the drink.
Her drink was empty. I asked if she wanted a refill. It's my job.
This test will tell us whether or not you're trying to drink.
Come on, she was drooling on herself when she came to the bar.
Guy slips drugs in a girl's drink and then gets his way with it. I think it's the first time we've heard a story like that. No, it's fine.
Okay, I'm gonna come back after to see what it's looking like.